To set up bedtime mode in Google Pixel, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter digital well-being right here, and now you can scroll down until you find the bedtime mode. Then you can modify the start when the bedtime mode should be toggled and when it should end. You can also see for how long it will be active, in this case 8 hours, and then you can put different days that it should work on as well. Finally, when you're ready, you can click on done, and then you can allow the access to your app usage data and sensor data. I would recommend to allow it to better data gathering, and then you can also allow cough and snore detection, and then you can customize your bedtime settings. You can change the bedtime routine, allow notifications from specific people groups on your phone, like messages from start contacts, priority conversations, or anyone, and the calls do the same settings except allow repeated callers. It's basically do not disturb mode that you can adjust. Then there's apps that can interrupt you, alarms, and other interruptions as well. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.